Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this invincible title card filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. Okay, in the effect gallery, in the trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this in trending section. What you can do? Come on the search button, and here search for Invincible. Okay, the first one with 32.1k videos. Okay, the first one, Invincible title card with 32.1k videos. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, go to your For You page. Okay, and in your For You page, search for Invincible filter title card. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name. You can tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From there you can use the effect, or you can tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also. Let me go back. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and open it with TikTok. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.